Yeah, good afternoon, students. Let us continue with again. Yesterday I did trigonometry 4 marks and few important 2 marks also. Now let us do with short answers of inverse trigonometry today. Is it clear? Inverse trigonometry short answers. First one, prove that sine inverse of 3 by 5 plus sine inverse of 8 by 17 is equal to cos inverse of 36 by 85. Cos inverse of 36 by 85, we have to prove this. Is it clear? So let us take LHS. Sine inverse 3 by 5 plus sine inverse of 8 by 17 is equal to, in terms of cos inverse. Is it clear? Yeah. See here, I will write the formula. Now, what is that formula in terms of? First, let us write in terms of directly sine inverse x plus sine inverse y in terms of cos inverse. Here, in terms of cos inverse, it is xy minus under root of 1 minus x square into under root of 1 minus y square. Let us see once. That is nothing but cos inverse x into y. Okay, we do one thing. Instead of let us apply sine inverse formula first. What is that formula? Sine inverse x plus sine inverse y in terms of sine inverse, that is x into under root of 1 minus y square plus y into under root of 1 minus x square. Sine inverse x is 3 by 5 under root of 1 minus 8 by 17 whole square plus 8 by 17 into under root of 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square. And that is the formula, right? That is sine inverse 3 by 5 under root of 1 minus 64, right? 64 by 17 square, 289 plus 8 by 17 under root of 1 minus 9 by 24. Here, right. It's only simplification. Then sine inverse 3 by 5 under root of 289 minus 64 is 225 by 289 plus 8 by 17 under root of 21 minus 16 by 22. That is sine inverse 3 by 5 is 15 by that is nothing but sine inverse 15 threes are 45 by 17 fives are 85 plus spreads are 32 by 85, right? That is nothing but sine inverse total 77 by 85. Now in terms of cos inverse, I can write it as cos inverse of under root 1 minus x square. That is, write the formula first. Okay. Sine inverse x is cos inverse of under root 1 minus x square. So in this case, what is your x? In this case, what is your x? 77 by 85. Correct? So that is nothing but cos inverse under root of 85 minus 77 by 85 whole square. Sorry. Okay, that will give you what? Cos inverse 85 whole square minus 77 whole square by 85 whole square. That is cos inverse of, this will give you 36 by 85. Under root is there still. Under root of, that simplification it goes a little bit very lengthy number, but simplification you do it. Okay. Next, do that sine inverse of 3 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13 is equal to cos inverse of 33 by 65. Cos inverse of 33 by 65. LHS sine inverse of 3 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 15 inverse of 3 by 5, you take it as alpha. Cos inverse of 12 by 13, you take it as beta. That is nothing but sine alpha 3 by 5 cos beta 12 by 13. And according to Pythagoras theorem for alpha, this 3 by 5 it is 4. For beta, it is 12 by 13, then this is 5. From here, I am going to calculate cos alpha. Here I am going to calculate cos alpha. Cos alpha will be 4 by 5. And here I am going to calculate sin beta. Sin beta will be 5 by 13. Is it clear? So, sin inverse of 3 by 5 I took it as alpha. Cos inverse of 12 by 13 I took it as beta. And sin alpha is 3 by 5. Cos beta is 12 by 13. Right? So, cos alpha, sin beta, you got it. Next one, now I am going to take, so this part what I took, this part is nothing but alpha, correct? According to the given assumptions, this I took it as beta here. So what I am going to get? Now I am going to consider, since he is asking in terms of cos inverse, cos of alpha plus beta, is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta, sin alpha sin beta. Okay, that is equal to, now what is cos alpha value? The cos alpha, what is cos alpha value? Cos alpha is 4 by 5, correct? Cos alpha value is 4 by 5. What is cos beta? 12 by 13 minus 12 by 13 minus what is sin alpha? 3 by 5. What is sin beta? 5 by 13. So 12 fours are 48 by 65 minus 5 threes are 15 by 65. Is it clear? That is nothing but 48 minus 15 is how much? 65. What is this? Cos of alpha plus beta. Now alpha plus beta is equal to cos inverse of 33 by 65. What is alpha? Alpha I considered what? Alpha is sin inverse of 3 by 5, correct? So that is sin inverse of 3 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13 is equal to cos inverse of 33 by 6. This is what you are going to do. Is it clear? Right. Most important, so many times he asked, prove that tan inverse 3 by 4. Prove that tan inverse of 3 by 4 plus tan inverse of 3 by 5, tan inverse of 3 by 5 minus tan inverse of 8 by 19 is equal to 5 by 4. We have to show. Is it clear? First I will take tan inverse of 3 by 4 plus tan inverse of 3 by 4. First you take these two. Now what is the formula I am going to use? Formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x by, right? That is tan inverse of 3 by 4 plus 3 by 5 by 1 minus 3 by 4 3 by 5. That is tan inverse 5 3 is 15, 4 is 12 divided by 20 minus 9. Now 4 and 4, 4 into 5, 4 into 5 got cancelled after taking LCM. Is it clear? That is tan inverse 27 by 11. That is tan inverse of 27 by 11. Now LHS again tan inverse of 27 by 11 minus tan inverse of 8 by 19, correct? 8 by 19, this you are going to find. Again, which formula I am going to use? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus x. Is it clear? That is tan inverse 27 by 11 minus 8 by 19 by 1 plus 27 by 11 8 by 19. Clear? Now start simplifying this. That is tan inverse of 27 into 19. 9 sevens are 63, 9 twos are 18, 1 sevens are 7, 1 1 4s are 2, then 3, 11, here 1, okay, 1 3. So this I am getting 513 minus 88 divided by 11 into 19. 19 11s are 9 1 9 1 9 0. It's 209. So 209 11 19s are plus 27 8s are 27 into 8. 7 8s are 56. 2 are 16. 216 plus 216. 513 minus 88. Correct? No? 5 no? 9 plus 6 15. 1 plus 1 is 2 4. That is tan inverse of 1, which is equal to 5 by 4. Tan inverse of 1, that is equal to 5 by 4. Is it clear? Next, do that. Cos inverse of 4 by 5. Do that. Cos inverse 4 by 5. 4 by 5 plus sin inverse of 3 by root 34 is equal to tan inverse of 27 by 11. Now solution. First we take LHS. Cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus sin inverse of 3 by root 34. Now same concept, sin inverse of 4 by 5 you take it as alpha, and sin inverse of 3 by root 34 you take it as beta. Clear? That is cos alpha is 4 by 5, sin beta is 3 by root 34. So by using Pythagoras theorem for alpha 4 by 5, this is 3, we calculate tan alpha because he is asking us to find tan, no? So tan alpha 3 by 4. Next, by using Pythagoras theorem for beta 3 by root 34. This is 34 minus 9, 25, then this will be 5 using Pythagoras theorem. To calculate tan beta 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Now what is asking actually in the question? You see the question once. RHS is asking us to find tan inverse. So I want in terms of tan inverse. Is it clear? So here, that's why I got tan alpha, tan beta. Now I will take tan of alpha plus beta. That is tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Tan of alpha plus beta is tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. That is tan alpha is 3 by 4 plus 3 by 5 by 1 minus 3 by 4, 3 by 5. 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12. 5 4s are 20 minus 9, 27 by 11. Correct, no? This is what tan of alpha plus beta, I got 27 by 11. Now alpha plus beta is equal to tan inverse 27 by 11. What is alpha we considered? Cos inverse 4 by 5. Yes, what is beta we considered? Sin inverse 3 by root 34. is tan inverse 27 by 11. So very, very important sums. Yeah. Next. Do that tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus tan inverse of 1 by 8, but again 5 by 2. Correct? Now once again take these two first. Tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 5. That is tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. The previous board I gave the formula. Is it clear? Right, that is tan inverse of 5 plus 2. Again same, and here 5 2s are 10 minus 1, 5 and 2, 5 and 2, now it gets cancelled. Tan inverse 7 by 9. What I got is, now you take this and this remaining part, right? Same formula again. Now tan inverse 7 by 9 plus tan inverse 1 by 8. That is same tan inverse of 7 9 by 1 by 8 plus 1 minus 1 by 8. Tan inverse of 7 8s are 56 plus 9 by 8 7s are 72 minus 7. That is tan inverse of 56 plus 9 is 65, and this is also 65. That is tan inverse of 1, which is pi by 4. Tan inverse of 1, which is pi by 4. See here, let us do that cos of 2 tan inverse 1 by 7. 2 tan inverse of 1 by 7 is equal to sine of 2 tan inverse 3 by 4. You have to show that these two are equal. So what the formula I write here is cos 2 theta in terms of tan 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square, and sine 2 theta in terms of tan 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta. See here, cos 2 tan inverse 1 by 7 is nothing but 1 minus tan square, that is tan theta is, in this case your theta is this is like theta, this is like what, theta, cos 2 theta, 1 minus tan square, 1 minus tan square theta. Theta means tan inverse of 1 by 7 by 1 plus tan square tan inverse of 1 by 7. 1 minus tan inverse tan square gets cancelled, 1 by 7 whole square by tan inverse and tan gets cancelled, 1 plus 1 by 7 whole square. That is 1 minus 1 by 49 by 1 plus 1 by 49. So that is 48 by 50, 24 by 24. Now you take LHS, sorry, RHS. What is your RHS? sine 2 tan inverse 3 by 2, which is 2 tan theta, that is tan inverse of 3 by 4. Now in this case, this is your theta, sine 2 theta it is, right? Now, that is nothing but tan was tan, okay, sorry, divided by 1 plus tan square tan inverse of 3 by 4. Tan was tan gets cancelled, 2 into 3 by 4. Tan was tan gets cancelled, 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. 2 3s are 6 by 4 by 1 plus 9 by 16. That is 6 by 4 by 25 by 16. 4 1s are 4 4s are 24 by 25. See, LHS is equal to RHS. Next, do that sine inverse 4 by 5 plus 2 tan inverse of 1 by 3 is equal to 5 by 2. Now, first 2 tan inverse. Now, we know that 2 tan inverse x in terms of cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse x in terms of cos inverse. 2 tan inverse x in terms of cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So 2 tan inverse x is how much? 1 by 2. Cos inverse of 1 minus 1 by 3 whole square, 1 plus 1 by 3 whole square is 1 by 9. And cos inverse 8 by 9 by 10 by 9. 9 9 gets cancelled. Cos inverse of 8 by 10. That is cos inverse of 4 by 5. Okay. Now let's come to the question. So in your LHS question, so 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 in terms of cos inverse is this 4 by 5. So see the question, sine inverse of 4 by 5 plus cos inverse of 4 by 5, which is equal to 5 by 2 by formula. What is that? Cos inverse x plus sine inverse x is always equal to 5 by 2, and your x belongs to minus 1 to plus 1. Is it clear? Next. If cos inverse p plus cos inverse q plus cos inverse r is equal to 5, prove that, and prove that p square plus q square plus r square plus 2pqr is equal to 1. And prove that cos inverse x plus cos inverse p plus cos inverse q plus cos inverse r equal to 5. Then prove that p square plus q square plus r square plus 2pqr equal to 1. Is it clear? Now what is given? Cos inverse p, cos inverse q, cos inverse r equal to 5. Cos inverse p plus cos inverse q plus cos inverse r equal to 5. Right? Now, cos inverse p equal to a, cos inverse q equal to b, cos inverse r equal to c, and cos a equal to p, cos B equal to Q, cos C equal to R. Then A plus B plus C equal to 5. No, A plus B equal to 5 minus. This is A, this is B, this is C. Then apply cos on both sides. Apply cos on both sides. Apply cos on both sides. That is cos of A plus B equal to cos of 5 minus. That is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B equal to cos 180 minus theta is cos. Cos A cos B. Since I don't have any information of sin A I will write it as 1 minus cos square. Sin B I will write it as 1 minus cos square B equal to minus cos. Cos A P and this is Q. 1 minus P square 1 minus Q square minus R. Here now PQ, bring it R inside plus R. Whole term you bring it to the square. 1 minus P square 1 minus Q square. This is squaring on both sides. PQ plus R whole square equal to 1 minus P square 1 minus Q square whole square. Then P square Q square plus R square plus 2PQR. Then 1 minus P square 1 minus Q square, because I did squaring on both sides. That is P square Q square plus R square plus 2PQR equal. 1 into 1 is 1 minus P square plus P square Q square. These two gets cancelled. Minus P square minus Q square you bring it inside. Plus P square plus Q square plus R square plus 2PQR equal to 1. Plus 2PQR equal to very important sum these are. Right? Next. If sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus sin inverse z is equal to 5, prove that x into under root of 1 minus x square plus y into under root of 1 minus y into under root of 1 minus y square plus z into under root of 1 minus z square is equal to 2xyz. What we have to prove is 2xyz. Okay. Now given sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus sin inverse z equal to 5. Now you take sin inverse x equal to A, sin inverse y equal to B, sin inverse z equal to C, sin A equal to x, sin B equal to y, sin C equal to z. Then A plus B plus C equal to 5. Whenever A plus B plus C equal to 5, then we know that sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C is equal to, this is a transformation result which you are going to remember. Sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C is equal to 4 sin A sin B sin C. Sin 2A means I will write it as 2 sin A cos A, 2 sin B cos B, 2 sin C cos C, 2 sin C, 2 sin C cos C equal to 4 sin A sin B sin C. Now I am going to take 2 common, sin A as it is. Now since I don't have information about cos A I will write it as under root of 1 minus square plus sin B under root of 1 minus sin square B plus sin C under root of 1 minus sin square C is equal to 4 sin A sin B sin C. Now this side 2 ones are, 2 2s are gets cancelled. What is sin A? Sin A is nothing but x into under root of 1 minus x square. Y into under root of y into under root of 1 minus y square. Z into under root of 1 minus z square equal to 2xyz. That's it. It's only what is asked. Is it clear? Next. So that sin inverse 4 by 5 plus sin inverse 7 by 25 equal to sin inverse 117 by 125. Right formula it is LHS sin inverse x 4 by 5 plus sin inverse of 7 by 20. Now what is sin inverse x? Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y in terms of sin inverse. X into under root of 1 minus y square plus y into under root of x into under root of 1 minus y square plus y into under root of 1 minus x square. Here that is sin inverse 4 by 5 under root of 1 minus 7 by 25 whole square plus 7 by 25 under root of 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square. 4 by 5 into under root 49 by 625 plus 7 by 25 into under root of 1 minus 16 by that is nothing but sin inverse 4 by 5. 625 minus 49 I 76 by 625 plus 7 by 25. 25 means 9 by 26. Now sin inverse 4 by 5. This is 24 by 25. 7 by 25. This is 3 by 5. That is nothing but sin inverse of 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 by 125. So these are 21 by 1. That is sin inverse 96 plus 21, 6 plus 1, 7, 11. This is 1. Is it clear? Yeah, important sum this is. Okay. If tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is equal to pi. Is equal to pi. Then prove that x plus y plus z plus y plus z equal to x y z. Prove that x plus y plus z is equal to x y z. Now, what he has given is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z equal to pi. Tan inverse x equal to a, tan inverse y equal to b, tan inverse z equal to c. Tan a is equal to x, tan b is equal to y, tan c equal to z. Now a plus b plus c equal to pi. Then a plus b equal to pi minus c. Apply tan on both sides. Apply tan on both sides. And tan of a plus b equal to tan 180 minus c. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b minus tan c. This is tan 180 minus theta, tan 180 minus theta minus tan c. What is tan a? X plus y by 1 minus xy equal to minus z. That is nothing but x plus y equal to minus z x y z. X plus y plus z equal to x y z. Is it clear? So this is your most important sum. And the last one, solve 3 sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square minus 4 cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square plus 2 tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. This is equal to given pi by 3. Solve means you are going to find the value of x. Is it clear? So what is given is 3 sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square minus 4 cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square plus 2 tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square is given as pi by 3. Now put x equal to tan theta. And theta is what? Tan inverse x. When you put x equal to tan theta, this becomes sin 2 theta. This becomes cos 2 theta. And this becomes tan 2 theta is equal to pi by 3. Sin was sin, cos inverse cos, and this also is. Now 3 2s are 6 theta minus 8 theta plus 4 theta equal to pi by 3. 6 plus 4, 10 theta minus 8 theta is pi by 3. That is nothing but 2 theta equal to pi by 3. Theta equal to pi by 6. Theta is what? Tan inverse x equal to pi by 6. And x equal to tan pi by 6. X equal to tan 30 is 1 by 2 3. Okay. So with this, your inverse trigonometry is also done. Tomorrow we will do 2 marks of hyperbolic. 2 marks of hyperbolic we do, and that's all. 2 marks of, because matrices 2 marks, functions, trigonometry 2 marks, 6 to 7 questions will be covered. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow.